Lazada Shopee one is here. This is your sales. Okay. So what happened is that when you issue a sales invoice, we have in our customer maintenance one field called skip E-Invoice. But this skip E-Invoice, you can only use it for Lazada Shopee e-commerce provider or some of the approved one. Okay. So let's say only approved one can do that. Not everyone. So let's say when Lazada Shopee, actually when I sell to Lazada Shopee, by right I should be the one generating invoice, not him one.
He is the one there to customer.
Correct. He generates to customer, but for the special case of Lazada Shopee, they are the ones sent to customer and they are the ones sent to supplier.
Yes.
Right. So in that case, we have this sales document. That means that if he sent to LHDN already, when I issue invoice to him, I should not send to LHDN again. LHDN say that. That means that I sell to Lazada.
But I'm doing self-bill.
No, you
Currently, Shopee Lazada is doing self-bill for us.
Yes, they do self-bill, but you should not create another self-bill. You should not. That means that you should just issue a normal sales invoice without syncing this sales invoice to Shopee, to LHDN.
Okay.
So I get what you mean is
then I have to check with my finance because today they are doing that.
Okay, then there's something wrong. I can show them the document. Okay, you see the okay. So this is purchase one, and then this one is to the customer. This one is and then this one is, let's say, XYZ. So sales invoice, and then this one is a skip. Skip.
Because why we are doing self-bill is because we have to bill, we have to open a bill to Lazada.
I know what you mean. Whatever that you are doing.
The bill, that's why my finance today is doing the self-bill.
Okay.
If you tell me the wrong, I'm okay. We will have to cross-check with my finance. So that this information also, I don't want later we have double view.
Okay. I want to go deeper and tell you even the amount. Okay, let's say I sell to customer is RM 1050. So, but whatever this when sell to Lazada is, let's say, 970. Okay. So last time the billing is simpler, but now with the e-invoice, this one out is RM 1050, and then here is RM 1050, and then here RM 80. So to Lazada Shopee, this one is a purchase, self-bill purchase invoice, and this one is a sales invoice. So this is the Lazada. So this one is a sales invoice. This one has got the E-invoice, and then this one has got the E-invoice, and then this one also got E-invoice. But you as a XYZ here, by right, your sales invoice here need to have normal customer, then you need to generate one. But this one is I put a cross here, E-invoice. Skip, because he already created the self-bill. Then in this leg, because you are actually issuing purchase invoice. Okay. One very big misunderstanding is when you talk about self-bill, usually you're referring to purchase. You cannot use as sales. That means that if you use the self-bill here as purchase, then maybe you have to review one more time to see. Yeah. This part I know, very tricky one. Even our
once we launch that, they tell us that they want to do that. Also, we will go this on this part. That's why I can ask you because how I'm going to tell you that because Lazada is LHDN the survey. And from our side, I worry the amount is not tallied.
Yes, you are right. You are right. So we take care of that. So basically, when you issue this sales invoice, it will come straight to here because you skip. And normally, most of the time, the sales event no need to match one because you're the one generating e-invoice. So the reason why I have this maneuver is to cater for this.
But okay, next question is only for certain Shopee Lazada e-commerce, right?
E-commerce provider.
I think we have a case that, for example, this company, they haven't implemented e-invoice.
Yes.
We are using this self-build method as well.
Yes, I know.
So they also handle
yes, because you got so many parts, That is why people ask me, hey Vincent, other people's software so simple, e-invoice, just invoice there whether it is got e-invoice QR code, my accounting, I said no, my customer got this scenario, got that scenario, this person like that person like that. Oh my god.
So I need to register in the system who will be the self-build that I need to skip or not.
So yes,
because Shopee Lazada, like you mentioned, I need to skip. But for my corporate customer that they haven't implemented e-invoice, I have to do the self-build.
Same. Yeah.
I have to send to them in this case.
Yes, correct. So that is why in here we can allow you to configure here whether to skip or not to skip. And then for the supplier,
but your skip means you don't send to LK, right?
Means I don't create the.
You don't send to LK.
I don't send to LCN, but I put it inside the matching queue. Just now. Because if I don't send, somebody else need to send.
I'm doing self-build, I should send to LCN, right? In my case, let's say your company haven't fall into the category of e-invoice. But my company already has to put together. So when I have to send, I want to create a bill to you.
You purchase, that is purchase. So
I
you
will do the
self-bill.
Yes. But I need to validate and then, am I right?
Yes, correct.
So that one I cannot say I skip that. From the reason why it's not a skip.
It's not a skip, but we call it here. That means that okay. 这个很 tricky 的哦。
这个叫 finance for my part, I can't comment out. I just based on what I understand from finance. What is the today operation?
Understand.
Right. For details, I might need to.
Okay. Yeah. 这个你要 set 自己。这个 true
I need to ask my finance to come in in details later.
And then 我再跟你讲even after 你 set 这个也有一种情况他们在 issue 单的时候even 不管这里是 true false 我可以 override 就是讲 it is allowed, LHCN allowed. That means that even though this is true or this is false, you still override for this invoice because the customer has a right to say to request or not to don't want. They can. So that means that given 就是 exception 去that's why 我们可是 you are handle in large volume. Then when you handle in large volume if you ask one staff to memorize all the possible flow, sure they make mistake one. So that is why we split into different queue. Then our customer, he can allocate, okay, this stuff you only process this queue. This stuff you do this queue only.